Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you looking to boost your Wi-Fi range? So now say goodbye to Wi-Fi dead zones. In this video, you'll learn how to easily extend your Wi-Fi coverage using manual method. Follow along step by step to eliminate dead zones and boost your internet signal at home. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. In the first step, insert the extender into a power outlet near your router, important for first setup. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds. The LED light will start blinking, then become stable, ready for setup. Open Wi-Fi settings on your mobile/laptop. Look for a network like DLink XXXX. Tap Connect, no password required initially. This connects you directly to the extender, not your router yet. Open a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, etc. In the address bar, type either http://dlinkapp.local or http://192.168.0.50. The D-Link Setup Wizard page will appear. Now click Setup Wizard to begin configuration. The extender will scan for available Wi-Fi networks nearby. Choose your home Wi-Fi network, SSID, from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password when asked. If your router supports dual band, 2.4 GHz 5 GHz, you can connect the extender to one or both. You can keep the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, makes roaming seamless, or create a new SSID, like myhome_xt, makes it easier to identify. Set a Wi-Fi password, can be the same as your router. Review your settings. Click Save/Apply. The extender will now connect to your router or restart automatically. Wait 1 to 2 minutes. After reboot, go back to your Wi-Fi list. Connect to your extended network, same or new name. Unplug and move extender to a better location halfway between router and weak signal area. Now your setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.